We are at Disney's Fort Wilderness, and this is room 3504. I will admit,
In Boulder Ridge.
in Boulder Ridge, I will admit that we never filmed when we first walked in 2 days ago. So this is future Josh and Amy filming the room tour. Anyway, when you first walk in, here's the door. I apologize, we're transferring to the cruise, so everything is a little bit of a mess. When you first walk in, there's a closet. I don't know what that is, so don't ask, but it has a lock on it. Nice entryway though. Hi. Place for you guys, magic bands, glasses, anything you need. There is nothing over here that you guys really have to worry about. Except for that thermostat, keep it down low. Watch out for wild animals. We're gonna start off, we're gonna go to the right when you first walk in, but I just wanna give you the kitchen area. That pull-out bed is out because Ariella doesn't wanna wake up because she's like a teenager right now. Master bedroom, entrance into the bathroom. And then this is the washer and dryer because this is a DVC room. Nope. Hold on. This is to the bathroom. Standard toilet. Standard sink, and I forgot to throw up our loofah, but standard sink, some towels here. Not an incredible amount of shower space, but as per Amy, and I don't know why all of a sudden the water started dripping, but the water's dripping all of a sudden. It does have a rainfall shower head. Oh, and it does something else. It does come with body wash, conditioner, and shampoo from H2O. Also has a small little shelf in there for anything you guys need, like razors and whatnot that you need to shower with. Ooh. So that was the door. So this is the door that we just walked through. I'm gonna shut this because it goes into the master bathroom. So this is a common shower for everybody and toilet for everybody, but this is for the master bedroom. I know they're not supposed to call it that anymore, but this is another closet, but I do not see a light switch to turn on the light that's up there, but house safe, just so you guys can see how much depth it is. Shayna attacking me. There is a iron and an ironing board. It looks like there should have been a fire extinguisher in here, but it looks like the fire extinguisher is not here. Electrical box. Hair dryer. Extra toiletries, tissues. Again, we've been here for a day or two, so that's why some of the soaps are all out here. Nothing in that drawer. Big tub. This is pretty good if you have kids to bathe them in. It does take a lot of water to fill up though. It is not a jacuzzi style tub, so there's no bubbles that come out of it or air or anything. I know in some of our other room tours, some of the tubs did do that. We used a whole bunch of the towels that were hanging up there, but the way it's pretty done there, that's pretty much how it was hanging. This is the master bedroom. Again, I apologize, we just woke up to go to the cruise, so yeah, we've lived in it for a little bit. This is, just so you guys know, I'm always gonna go to the right when we first walk into a room, just to make it a little bit easier for context. Bible. There is a lot of storage space underneath the bed. Each nightstand is the exact same pretty much, so I'm not going to open up everything, but... Oh, no, I apologize. I was wrong. This one's a little different. Just has a swinging door with one door in it. This is the view from this room. I will say this. I wish Disney would clean the outside of the window. Can't tell if you can see, but it looks a little foggy. Yeah, that's the outside. I wish they would clean it, but I'm okay with that. Big screen TV. A lot of drawers. Nothing inside of any of them. Small little bench for you to get ready for the day. And then we are back out. And just to give you a reference again, that's the where the toilet and shower is, and the master bath is over there. So now I'm going also to the right again. So now we're back in the kitchen area. Bench area with 2 seats, small table. This is good if you're at the DVC and you are eating breakfast early in the morning before you go to the parks. This table is great. Kitchen area. I know I said I'm going to the right, but Amy is cuddling with Amy right now. So, I mean, Ariella's cuddling with Amy right now, so I'm going to wait for them. Whatever, I'll do the kitchen first. The French fries that are still in here from the first night we were here. We have to throw that out. What do we got here? Oh, Mickey Premium Ice Cream Bar. Yummy. A lot of space up top. Standard size microwave. Nothing special. Not a lot of room back there, but I'm only here for a week or so. Plates, glasses, toaster, electric stovetop, oven. I was about to call that onion, and I don't know why. Comes with Joffrey's coffee here, with the coffee machine over there. Mugs, bowls, small plates. So just so you guys know, it also does come with big plates if I don't show it. That was from last night's dinner. Some Tupperware and some mixing bowls. And it looks like a cheese grater in the corner. I guess if you're gonna stay here for a while, you want to actually make a lot of food. Some utensils. More utensils, some silverware, excuse me. You have your pot, cutting board. Oh, some more paper towels and dish soap and a scrubber. I will say this, they do leave that already out. So you don't, so that's underneath there is the second pair. Dishwasher underneath here. And then recycling and garbage can underneath with the sink up top. So that is the kitchen area. There's Amy's butt. I don't think that opens underneath there, but it does not? Okay. So, Amy, what is that called again?
Hey Disney.
Hey Disney. Ariella constantly yesterday kept saying, hey Disney, can you read me a story? So, it is voice activated, but just to give you guys a heads up that is in this room. There's some pretty Disney art also up there. I forgot to show that. So this is actually a couch that it comes out to a pull-out bed. Both of the girls both slept here in the bed, so it is definitely big enough for a 3 and 2-year-old. Some nice Disney art behind them. There are 2 benches for underneath the countertop in case you guys want to eat here too. Now this is also nothing in these drawers, but they're there for the people that are sleeping on this bed. Has a nice little foot ottoman, an extra small armchair.
Sheena, please put that back.
Phone to call to the front desk or room service. And then this is outside. Oh, and it comes with a double lock. So that was the reason why I just struggled. And there are 2 chairs and a small table. And this is our view from our balcony. So I know I just showed you outside, but I forgot to show you one other thing. If you are having a family come with you, this door connects you between both rooms, so you guys can go between. I'm not going to unlock that just because I don't know the people next door to us. But in any event, guys, this is the room tour, an overview. Again, it does not come with an Amy, an Ariella, or a Shayna. You don't want the Shayna because she's a lot anyway, so just saying.
Yes.
All right, guys. Well, that was the room tour. Shayna's crying because mommy took away a toy from her. But thank you very much for watching this room tour. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that bell notification. If you guys have any questions or whatever, please leave a comment below. I forgot to say that in other videos, but yeah, you guys can always leave a comment below and we'll try our best to answer it. In any event, guys, thank you for watching and see you real soon.